Clap for everyone. Okay, that's great. So राम राम भाई सारिया ने, आज हम अपने डे में हैं 36 में 75 डेज हार्ड चैलेंज, और हम बुलाने वाले हैं एक स्टूडेंट को जो आज के चैलेंज में कॉन्वर्जेशन करने वाली हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट यू द अमेजिंग पर्सनैलिटी मिस काजल. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. क्लैप फॉर एवरीवन फॉर काजल. काजल, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes, sir.
Are you nervous?
Yes, sir.
Why you are nervous?
Hesitation हो रही है.
Do you want to speak front of the people?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a strong desire to speak front of the people?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you excited for this segment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So first thing is that tell me why English is important in your life.
English is important in my life because I can understand other people's speech. English is a universal language, communications, career, travel, and culture understanding. English is the major language of the internet world. It is the best medium for education. English knowledge can open of many opportunities. Thank you.
Okay. So English is just an international language, not a universal language.
Okay, sir.
International language, right? So do you know how many people able to speak English in India? In India, I'm talking about India.
8%.
The number of people?
140.
140 CR living in India. 8%. Do you know this is the large number of people who are able to speak English in India?
No, sir.
Yes. If we just included the data like tier 1 city and tier 2 city, if we are talking about the rural area, only the 0.7% people who are able to speak English. So this is good thing or bad thing according to a student. You are also a student, you just pass out your 12th class. So what do you think about that in your mindset? This is right way to learn English, and also the second language learning is helpful in their career. How much helpful in their career? Please answer this question.
I have no answer.
You don't have any answer. So English speaking and communication, English communication is mandatory for build their career after completing your 12th class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please explain in your own words.
Sir, I have no any answer.
You don't have any answer, or you not able to give answer? Are you confused in your career? Don't worry. English is very, very important for every student who actually want to build their career in this 21st century skills. 21st century skills is that you must develop your effective communication. Suppose that if you wanna develop your personality, also English speaking and communication skills will help you. If you wanna grow in your career, also English speaking will help you. If you wanna admire yourself in front of the people, English speaking also help you. So these type multiple skills, you can show yourself in front of the people, and if you wanna show your talent to front of anyone, so that is very good thing. You must develop the English speaking skills and communication skills, right? So according to Kajal, English speaking is very good thing, and also why English is important in your life. You have to answer this thing in the comment box. Thank you for today. 75 days hard challenge in 36 days. Thank you so much.